In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription plan if you've decided you no longer want to continue your current subscription. Don't worry, the process is usually quick and straightforward. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're signed in, look for your profile image, which is typically located in the top corner of the screen. Click on that profile image to open the account menu. From the options that appear, select Settings. This is where most account-related controls and preferences are stored, including billing and subscription details. After you enter the settings area, take a moment to scroll through the page until you find the subscription section. Depending on the platform, this area may be grouped with billing, payments, or account management options. The key is to look for anything labeled subscription, since that's where your current plan information will appear. Once you're in the right section, look for a button or link that says Manage Subscription or Cancel Plan. The exact wording may vary slightly, but either option should take you to the cancellation process. Click on it to move forward. If you see details about your billing schedule or renewal date, it can be helpful to review them before continuing so you understand when your access will officially end. From there, simply follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. Many platforms include one or two confirmation screens to make sure you really want to end the plan. Read each prompt carefully, then continue until the cancellation is fully confirmed. This step is important because closing the page too early may leave the subscription active. Once everything is completed, your plan will usually remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. That means you should still be able to use the service until the paid period runs out, even though the subscription has been canceled and will not renew automatically. As a final tip, it's a good idea to look for a confirmation message on screen after finishing, and if available, keep any cancellation confirmation for your records. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of canceling your subscription plan.